The Woody Woodpecker Sorry. Meet my boss, Walter Lance.
Glad you dropped in, Woody. Hiya, folks. I'm happy you could join us. Woody and his gang have a real fun show lined up for you. You'll see many cartoons. But that's not all. Woody promises a special feature. There'll be lots of laughs and excitement.
And now, my fine people, presto. Come on now, what's the matter? You're holding up the show. How humiliating.
Who's got the snooziest walk? Ain't you seen Andy Panda? Who's got the nosiest talk? Ain't you heard he's the one? He's a polka-dotted delight, black and white, Andy Panda, cutest busybody in sight. Oh, 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 he's the one.
Hello.
Way down on the Swanee River, far, far away. That's where my heart is your knee never do, 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 do. Who's that?
It's me, Andy Panda.
Hello, Andy.
Hello, Mr. Whiffletree.
You better run along home, Andy. There's panda hunters around here, and if they catch you, they'll send you to the zoo.
Oh, I'm not afraid of panda hunters. I'm too smart for 'em. What are you doing?
I'm fishing.
Ah, where's your pole?
I got my own system. I'll just sit here and wait for the fish to come to me.
Oh, how do you know when you're gonna bite?
Well, I'll tell you. See that rock up there?
Yeah?
Well, when the fish pulls on the string, the rock falls and that's how it works. Got another bite. Can't understand. I got another one.
This is a swell way to fish.
There's one more. Well, you can't catch 'em all.
The old-fashioned way is good enough for me. I got a bite. Hello. What's your name? Andy Panda. I like you.
Look out, Andy. It's an electric eel. Don't touch it. You'll get shocked. I'll save you. Turn me loose. Take him away. I'm electrocuted. I'm exterminated. I'm granulated.
That's only Mr. Whiffletree. He won't hurt you.
I'm warning you. You'd better get rid of that thing, or he'll bring you bad luck. Panda, zoo, Panda, contract, Panda, Panda, zoo, Panda, contract,
I got a bite! That's the biggest fish I ever saw. I've got another! I got another one!
Some seafood mama.
I've got another! I've got another one! I've got another! I got another one!
Panda blower, contract, Panda. We gotta do something. Here, Andy, use the oars. What are you got? Look at the Panda. We got one fast. Try these, Andy. Panda! Let's get going. Here, Andy, put this on. Panda, hang on, Andy. I'll save you. I'll save you. Panda! 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 Hang on, Andy. I'll save you. I'll save you.
Mr. Whiffletree, shake hands with the man who saved my life.